Directionality and noise reduction systems in hearing aids help hearing aid users to understand speech in noise. These features have continuously improved, but they have also been following the same main principles since the introduction of digital signal processing in the mid-1990s. Their effect relies on attenuation rules designed by engineers. These rules reflect the engineer's knowledge, and despite being the best solution to date, they are not optimal and are inherently limited by the current knowledge. Artificial intelligence has recently emerged as a powerful new technology in areas where large amounts of data are processed. The fundamental idea is that systems using AI do not rely on external rules, but rather learn and apply their own rules. This allows them to exceed the possibilities and performance of the current technology. AI is introduced to the noise reduction of SoundMap2 to improve the clarity of speech in noisy environments. Instead of relying on engineers' knowledge and rules, the new AI-NR is trained and has learned how to make speech clearer in noise. During the training, the AI-NR is fed with speech and noise samples, which are processed, and the result is compared to a benchmark consisting of speech perfectly cleaned of noise. The difference between the benchmark and the processed sound is fed back to the AI-NR to let it know how well it is performing. This cycle is repeated hundreds of thousands of times with different speech and noise samples, and each iteration is an opportunity for the AI-NR to learn from its own mistakes. With the addition of AI, the new AI-NR not only has the capacity to process speech in 24 individual frequency bands, but also to coordinate its effect between frequency bands, thereby reducing sound artifacts and improving its efficiency to remove noise from speech. The addition of AI sound technology is one more step towards better user benefits. Together with a new 24 frequency band architecture, speech clarifier, and the new open bass dome, the AI noise reduction improved speech understanding in noise by 0.8 dB in the new HearLink 9030 compared to the previous HearLink 9010. See the 20.2 white paper on the new Philips HearLink for a more detailed description of the clinical test.